In this lesson, we will remove the mystery from the Claude interface and complete one useful task from beginning to end. Start by opening a new chat. The large text field at the bottom is where you describe what you want. Nearby, you will normally find options for attaching files, selecting tools such as web search or research, and choosing a model in the model selector. Moreover, you can also click the microphone symbol to use voice input. If you press the sound waves on the right, you can start the voice mode and have a conversation with Claude. On the left side, we have a navigation bar that you can display or collapse. At the top, you can choose to start a new chat. Below are features like projects, artifacts, and customize options we are going to talk about later. At the bottom, you have the conversation history where you can see and switch between old conversations. But let's go back to actually using Claude and asking a first question. Please also note that while the exact user interface may change slightly over time, the workflow stays the same. Provide context, describe the result, review it, and refine it. I will use a simple planning example. Watch how specific the request is. I am not typing, help me plan Saturday. I am giving Claude the available hours, the activities, and the format I want. Now I send the prompt. Claude creates a first version. This is not a final answer that I must accept. It is a draft we can improve through conversation. I notice that the schedule may place focused work at a time I do not prefer. I can say, move the focused work to the afternoon, keep lunch at 12 o'clock, and add a 15-minute buffer between major activities. Claude updates the result without requiring me to repeat the whole request. This is one of the most important beginner lessons. The first prompt starts the work. Follow-up prompts shape it. You can also attach a file. For example, you could attach an agenda and ask Claude to summarize it, attach a photo of notes and ask for a clean checklist, or attach a spreadsheet and ask Claude to explain the columns. The rule is simple. Never upload sensitive material casually. Remove private data when possible, check your account settings, and only share information needed for the task. Your action step is to replace my Saturday example with one real task from your life. Ask for a useful format, then request one revision. In the next video, I will give you a 4-part prompting framework that produces better first drafts.